The forecast for Earth's climate often swings between extremes, yet the prospect of a chilling future raises significant concern. Scientists have been increasingly warning about the potential for global temperatures to drop due to various factors, including volcanic eruptions, solar cycles, and shifts in ocean currents. This phenomenon, often referred to as global cooling, is more than just the fading echoes of past climatic events. It potentially signals a major shift in our planet's climate patterns. As we embark on this exploration, it's important to recognize that natural climate cycles have always played a crucial role in Earth's temperature. Historical records reveal periods of pronounced cooling, such as the Little Ice Age that gripped parts of Europe and North America from the 14th to the 19th centuries. These periods often resulted from complex interactions between atmospheric phenomena and solar activity. Scientists today analyze current patterns, looking for clues that could indicate a new phase of cooling amidst ongoing global warming trends. Wait, didn't you subscribe yet? Do subscribe now for support me to do more content like this. Comment below what you want to do next. Recent studies show that certain parts of the globe may already be experiencing the early signs of this potential cooling. Increased snowfall in the polar regions and alterations in oceanic currents hint at changes that could lead to colder winters in some areas, while tropical regions might endure more intense heat. Amidst these complicated dynamics, climate models produce varying predictions. Some suggest a short-term cooling phase could follow the current warming trends, which would significantly alter weather patterns across the globe. The implications of a freezing cold future are dire. Agriculture could face severe disruptions, leading to food shortages and increased prices, while energy demands might surge as heating becomes a priority. Ecosystems could suffer as species adapt or perish in response to the changing conditions. Society must not ignore these warnings, but should instead prepare for varied climate scenarios. Education and awareness about climate change are critical, facilitating informed discussions about sustainability and adaptation to the inevitable shifts in our environment. In conclusion, while the notion of Earth becoming freezing cold soon might seem sensational, it is grounded in scientific inquiry. Recognizing the signs and preparing for potential changes will empower societies and communities around the world. By understanding the nuances of our climate, we can foster resilience, ensuring that as temperatures fluctuate, we remain steadfast in our commitment to preserving the world for future generations.